Good morning and welcome back to the MF65 channel. Today I prepare about the first start. So finally everything is here. We have the return line, the new oil pressure gauge, new diesel hose, and all the parts. So for the injectors and everything. And here's the injectors, and they also tested and they function very fine. Everything is new inside. We have all the grease, all the tools, all we need, and also the valves is ready, tools and everything. So today hopefully it will be the first start about the engine. And also got these rubber things here. It's very nice. I have not seen them anywhere else. They fit very nice, and I think they fit also on the MF 165 and the 35, because there's a big hole here, and this rubber one goes very nicely down and seal up for the oil. So today we put on the valves and we put on all the fuel lines. We also put back, so then we are ready to go. So stay tuned, there will be many videos today, and hopefully everything will go fine about the first start, so we get this old girl running again. See you soon later on today. Cheers.